In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history on Instagram. To begin, you will need to open the Instagram app on your device. This is the colorful camera icon typically found on your home screen. If you have not logged in yet, you will need to enter your username and password. Make sure to check your details for accuracy to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your credentials, tap the login button. This step is crucial as it ensures you can access your conversations and manage your chat history effectively. Once you are logged in, the next step is to go to your messages. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You will see a messenger or chat icon that resembles a speech bubble. Tapping on this icon will take you directly to your Instagram direct messages. This is an important step because it is where all your private conversations are stored. You need to access this section to proceed with deleting any chat history. Now that you are in the Messages section, you will need to find the specific chat you want to delete. Scroll through your conversations until you locate the one that you wish to remove. Take your time with this step to ensure you are selecting the correct conversation, as deleting it will remove it from your inbox permanently. This careful selection helps you avoid unintended deletions, keeping your chat history organized and manageable. After you have found the chat, it is time to delete it. If you are using an Android device, press and hold the chat until options appear. One of those options will be delete. If you are on an iPhone, you will need to swipe left on the chat. This action will reveal the delete option as well. This step is important because it allows you to initiate the deletion process effectively. Make sure you are certain about the chat you want to delete, as this action cannot be undone once confirmed. With the chat selected for deletion, the next action is to confirm the deletion. Once you tap delete, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Tap delete again to finalize this action. This confirmation ensures that you are aware of the consequences of deleting the chat. It gives you one last chance to reconsider before the chat is permanently removed from your inbox. It's essential to understand that deleting a chat only removes it from your inbox. The other person you were chatting with will still have access to the conversation unless they choose to delete it too. This piece of information is crucial for maintaining your privacy and understanding the implications of your actions. Knowing that the other party can still see the chat can help you make informed decisions about what to delete. In summary, you have learned how to delete chat history on Instagram. We started by opening the app and logging in, then navigating to messages, and finally finding and deleting the chat. Remember, being mindful about what you delete is key, as it cannot be undone. This little guide can help you manage your chats more effectively, ensuring your Instagram experience remains clean and organized. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting on Instagram.